Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about Half-Life. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that we have only 55% of initial concentration. That means we have the formula in here. So we divide both sides by m0 in here. This is about initial value. So on the question, they just have only 55%. So that means we have 0.55 in here because after the certain time, when we divide this way, we can find about the ratio between initial and after the time, and that is about this value in here. Capital T, that is about the value of a half-life, and that is about 3.5. Now we can find the value of T in here. So we need to put about natural log for the both sides. So I will put this one gold here. And now we can find the value of T. So we calculate this one and we have 3.0 hours. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.